Hi everyone, it's me, Donna, and here I am at the Sam's Warehouse Club, and I just got myself some food. I have pizza supreme, looks really good, everything on it, and right here I have sausage. What is it? Sausage, peppers, onions, and some mustard. So I'm just hanging out today, and I just wanted you to join me while I'm eating. So let's see. This smells so good. Oh my gosh, I'm making a mess, but it's so worth it. Man, oh what? Oh man, I am so hungry, but it's the day after Christmas. I gotta get some shopping done and stuff, and I figured I'd come in here. And how do I open this thing? I hate opening these things. They never open good for me. So here it goes. I'm gonna put some kraut on it too. Like it doesn't have enough stuff on it already, right? Sauerkraut is really good. I'm from Brooklyn, so all the delis have sauerkraut sandwiches up there, and they're so good. That's good. I love sauerkraut. But you know, you'd never think that Sam's has good food, but they do. Oh. Very good. I love it. Especially when you bite into the sausage. It's so crisp, it just snaps in your mouth. And I got my pizza too. I can't forget about my pizza with the olives on it, pepperoni, peppers. Pizza's like probably my favorite food. I would eat pizza every day if I could. I really should, why not? Right? I'm so hungry. That is really good. Pizza's good too. I'm from Brooklyn, so I grew up eating pizza probably almost every day. Really good. I'll put some more sauerkraut. This is really good. Would you like some, baby? I'm here with my BF. He's my cameraman today as I eat this delicious food. You never think that Sam's has good food, and it does, and it's pretty cheap too. So, I'm gonna be making more videos of me eating foods that I love. Oh, here you go, baby. So I hope you tune into my channel. I'm just getting started, and you follow me. That would be just wonderful. Make sure you subscribe and give me a like. So I'm gonna be eating lots more food. Really good. So subscribe and follow me. Diamond Donna on YouTube. Thanks, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.